Hi guys, it's Danny from Inglorious Fishing. It's currently Sunday morning and we're going to go and do a little bit of pollock bashing down on the south coast of Guernsey, guys. So I'm going to start making my way down to the boat. We've got 2.5 hours that we can go and fish, so the quicker we get out there, the more fish we can catch, preferably anyway. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll give you a little bit of a glimpse of the walk down and the trip out, and we'll be on to the fishing. As always guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's go do this. So guys, we arrived at the south coast. I apologise for any wind noise in advance. Darran's in the background there, he's on his vessel. And we're out here and we're targeting pollock. Now I've got the feathers and I've also got the scary eel on. So I'm going to do a bit of lure fishing and hopefully we can get a few of these pollock guys. Now we're fishing in rough ground. I'll give you a little glimpse of the plotter and stuff. So there's the bottom of the screen guys. That's my Garmin Striker fish finder. As you can see, that's the bottom. It's quite rough, very jaggedy, rockety. And then these are the rocks. We're right next to the south coast, right next to the rocks. So yeah guys, stay tuned. I'm going to get them down. It's pretty swelly up here, but we'll have to make do. We need to catch these pollock. Let's get to it. Well guys, we're going to leave Darran. He's going to continue. We're going to move down and he might catch up with us after. Anyway, stay tuned. Finally a fish on guys, probably a scad again, my lot. Just on the feathers. Probably a scad. Not the pollock I'm after, that wind's quite strong. Now we've only got, what, 40 minutes till the gate shut, so probably a scad. Yeah, a foul hook scad. Straight at the top of the back. We'll get used for pot bait. Try and go down again. Probably because the tide's so strong. There's a couple of little markers, but nothing significant, so might have just been wasting my time today. At least it's a trip out, guys. Can't help it, sometimes it's just no fish. Just like anywhere else, there isn't fish all the time. I'm trying, guys. I really am. Anyway, if we get some more, camera will be on. Bit of weight on here, guys. Probably a foul scad again. No, my lot hasn't been very productive. Now what I might do is I might head up towards the pipe, see if we can get some black bream, just to prove a little bit of content, you know, because not a lot happening here, that's for sure. And we've only got now half hour, so best that I start making my way towards there anyway. So let's have a look. Yeah, look, two scaddies on the hooks. Not what we want, guys, then. We're after pollock, we're getting scad. That's it. So stay tuned, I'm going to start making my way up back towards the pipe. So guys, we've arrived at the pipe. I've got 10-15 minutes, so I'm going to try and get you a few bream. There's a few markings down there already, so I'm pretty hopeful we will get a few bream. I wish I stayed here now, because we probably would have made a better video, but hey, yeah, that's how it goes, guys. You can't always, you know, we tried going for pollock. It's one of them, they weren't there. So like I said, I reckon we're going to have a few here. I'll be surprised if we don't. We're on the bottom. If they're there, it shouldn't take long, guys. That was a bream. Give it a bit of line, guys, you watch. Fish on. Yeah. Yeah, fish on, guys, we've got a fish. Wish I stayed here now. Probably would have made a better video. There's absolutely loads of markings. Hundreds of them. It's been a good trip here. Okay. Oh well. Lovely black bream there. But I'm going to send that one back. Back he goes. Get back down there and see if we can get some more. We're off the mark a little bit, but we might still be able to get one. I love bream fishing, guys. You get absolutely loads of black bream over here. I don't know if you get them in England or not, or wherever anyone else is, but I don't think you get many of them in England, do you? So there we are, we're on the bottom. Give it a little bit of line. Pretty much straight away they normally bite. No bites yet. We're off the mark a little bit. Oh, that's a bite. And again. Come on. Take it. Give it a little bit of line. They don't like a dragging line, they like it slack. reel up and we'll go back onto the mark. So guys, we haven't got time for another drop. I have to make my way in, otherwise we're going to miss the gate. Sorry about that, I wish I stayed here first. Anyway, let's start making our way in. So guys, that's another episode of Inglorious fishing. Unfortunately, we only had a few scad. We went out pollock fishing. Like I said before, I wish we stayed on the pipe now. Even a couple more drops, it would have made a much better video. That way we would have had a lot of bream, but hey guys, that's the way it goes. So the cover's all on the boat, guys, to give a load of rain for next week and a load of wind. So that's why I went out and made a video today, try and bring you some fishing content. And we're going out this evening as well before the wind picks up and the rain. So if you like the channel, like, subscribe. There's going to be plenty more. We're shore fishing tonight. We'll see you on the next one. It's Inglorious fishing. Thanks for watching, guys. Guys, fish on, I think. Definitely some weight there. That's the bass. Was it red? It's a red.
That's a decent
It's a
red.
bass.